GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in positive MACD, but we did see a diverge. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI, and we're testing the 200 moving average, this green line acting as our temporary resistance at a price of $42.16. As with the 4 hour chart, we are about to approach to positive MACD. As we extend up further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. As with the trade idea, my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $37.51. My sell target is at $43.84, and my stop loss is at $35.77. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $46.27, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $39.45, my stop loss is at $48.96. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 10%. To the downside, it has a 56% chance to fall between 0 to negative 10.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.